and welcome back to Google Skill Shop, Google Ads Mastery. We're in the measurement course in the Skill Shop. And so what did we learn about yesterday? We're in the activity still on Google Analytics, a huge activity. In fact, I'm going to mark this down in a second to actually create a Google Analytics account or log into Google Analytics. So create / login and explore Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a super powerful tool in the modern day for basically aggregating data, enriching data, driving business insights from the data, and taking action from the data. So what did we learn about yesterday? Well, not too many big notes, but of them, we've got something about the second benefit of using Google Analytics for business, which is to be able to derive business insights from your data. All right, so nowadays, Google AI will actually find patterns within your data and also predict trends. So it'll find the patterns, it'll find insights from your data, the AI will, and it will also predict and project into the future the trends. Okay. The other thing we had of note from Google Analytics course yesterday was, what would that have been? Maybe something about along the lines of something about data, something about AI, no, not AI, something about uploading, no, something about the features, checking out the measurements, the different graphs, integration with other, right, that is it, integration. So you can actually upload all your organic and paid data to Google Analytics, and it will actually use both if you connect to Google Ads to further optimize your campaign. So if you're only using Google Ads alone without Google Analytics, you're missing out on this extra insights that are gained from organic channels. So another question I have is basically, can we upload our meta campaign data to Google Analytics? That's something I'm interested in, because that would be another channel. Meta is another channel, and it could give Google more data to then further optimize our Google campaign. So what I'm going to do now is jump back into Google Skill Shop. We should be finishing up Google Analytics activity within a few minutes, and then we'll go and start the next activity or unit, and we'll continue learning. So I'll be back to recall in a bit. There's not too much to note today. We finished the Google Analytics course or activity / unit. The check your understanding question we got correct. Then we started the next course, which is on, it's on like, I believe YouTube awareness and reach campaigns, something along these lines. YouTube campaign measurements. So I wasn't really reading in depth because we're not currently running YouTube campaigns. I was just kind of getting a broad overview. And from my understanding, YouTube is very similar, or it's the most similar to TV ads, traditional TV ads of any of the social media marketing, because it's horizontal, it's 16:9, it's in between videos, just like TV shows or movies on TV. So there's a lot of cross-referencing and talking about TV KPIs, TV measurements, and combining them or comparing them with YouTube ads. Awareness and consideration campaigns. So measure impact for awareness and consideration. YouTube awareness and consideration campaigns. So that's basically it for today. We'll hopefully finish this YouTube consideration awareness campaign activity tomorrow. It's not extremely relevant to what we're doing right now. And then from there, we'll have 2 more activities, I think, and then the final exam. So getting close now, probably 75% of the way or more, as far as this measurement skill shop course certification goes. So that's it for today. Talk to you later. See ya.